How to get a Bullx access code. In this video, we will guide you on how to get a Bullx early access code so you can start trading. Follow these steps below and join the Partners program. The primary way to get the access to the Bullx trading app is through the Partner program. The access code is provided to those who are part of this program. Fortunately, I joined their early partner program back on August 24th and used the access link to gain access. Use the exclusive link I provided in the description and this will redirect you to the Bullx platform where you can sign up and to get your access code. First is to set up Telegram account before using the access code and ensure you have Telegram account. Bullx is tied to the Telegram and you must have an active account for it to work. Benefit from a discount by using the access link into the description. You'll also receive a 10% lifetime discount on all trading fees for your Bullx trades. Enter the access code, and once you're redirected to the Bullx site, enter the access code provided through the link in the descriptions, or you can find the code written below it. That's about it. Thank you for watching.